Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save art on IbisPaint X. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first want to do is obviously open up IbisPaint X. And now there's a couple of ways we can do this. So I'm going to click on my gallery and here's the artwork here I want to save. So I'm going to select it and now we can save it by clicking on the three dots on the bottom of the page here and click on save image. And then from here we can click on save image and we've got a few options here to save it as PNG or JPEG. We can do AI super resolution ×2 if we like, and then click OK to download it and save it to your device. The other way is to, just going to skip out of this ad 1 second, is when we're editing the photo here, we can save it here as well. So once you finish with your artwork, you can go ahead and click on the icon on the bottom right hand corner of the page and then click on save image, and like before we can change the settings here and then click OK, and that's going to also save it to your device.